Crispy sweet corn fritters. You won't believe these were made in the air fryer. To make our sweet corn fritters, we're going to get a large bowl, and to this we're going to add 2 tins of sweet corn. We're then going to add some gram flour and rice flour. We're going to season this with a bit of salt and then add our delicious blend of spices to make these the best fritters you've had. So we're going to add some turmeric powder, chili powder, 1 finely chopped chili, some dried coriander and a bit of lemon juice. To help bring this all together, we're going to add a little bit of water and then mix really well. You want to keep mixing until all of the sweet corn is evenly coated and the sweet corn starts to lump together. This will help the sweet corn stick together and form those lovely fritters. If the mixture seems a little bit too thick, then you can add a little bit of water to help thin it out, but it should look something like this once it's nice and mixed. Now we need to shape our fritters. So you want to place tablespoon sized portions into the air fryer basket and flatten them slightly. This will help make the fritters extra crispy. We've lined our air fryer basket with a silicone mat to make sure that the fritters don't stick to the bottom. To make these fritters extra crispy, you want to spray with some oil spray. Air fry your fritters at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. And don't forget to flip them halfway. We want both sides to be crispy, so spray the other side with some oil spray and then place back in the air fryer. How good did these look? Golden brown sweet corn fritters. To make them extra tasty, top with a bit of lime juice and serve with your favourite chutney. For more air fryer recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other videos.